Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of ClickUp Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once your account is loaded, scroll down on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. Here, click Install and allow an install. Refresh your page, and when your page is fully loaded, scroll down on the search bar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The second tab is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where to set up the application. Start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your ClickUp account online. From there, click on your profile and on Settings. In Settings, click on Apps, Regenerate API key, fill in your password and click Confirm. When that's done, copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the support tab. And here you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have a problem. The final tab is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated with any change that has been made in the application. You could also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.